Hi everyone! Привет всем! Russian Pie presents a quick tip on how to make if sentences in Russian. Готовы? Тогда за мной! Today we're going to have a look at how we express doubt with if, which is ли in Russian. At first we need a statement, утверждение. For example, I'll be home by 8 p.m. Я буду дома к 8 часам. And then we're starting to doubt that. Сомнение. I'm not sure. Я не уверен. So what we get here is I'm not sure if I will be home by 8 p.m. Now let's translate this into Russian bit by bit. I'm я, not sure, не уверен, if ли, я, will be буду, home, дома, by 8 p.m. к 8 часам. And now let's arrange those bits so that the word order is natural for Russian. Я, subject goes first, не уверен, not sure, and then follows the verb буду, major difference from English. Then goes ли, if, then the subject of the second part of the sentence, it's я again, and then the rest of the words, дома к 8 часам. So we get я не уверен, буду ли я дома к 8 часам. If we follow this word order in English, it would look like this. I'm not sure will be if I home by 8 p.m. As weird as it may seem, this is the correct word order in if sentences in Russian when you wish to express doubt. Let's have a look at another example. We have a statement here. Russian Museum works on Tuesdays. In English, you would say is open, but in Russian we do use this word work for this type of sentences. Русский музей работает по вторникам. And then we realize we're not really sure about that. I don't know. Я не знаю. So here goes the sentence. I don't know if the Russian Museum works on Tuesdays. Let's translate that into Russian bit by bit. Я don't know, не знаю, if ли the Russian Museum, Русский музей, works, работает on Tuesdays по вторникам. Now let's arrange that so that the verb order is following the Russian rules. Я не знаю, работает ли Русский музей по вторникам. If we followed the same word order and would translate that into English, literally, it would look like that. I don't know works if the Russian Museum on Tuesdays. Don't worry if it takes a while for this information to sink in, as the structure is really different from the English version. It will require some getting used to it. But if you're not too comfortable using this word order right now, you might be thinking, if there is a way to avoid using li and stick to ile instead. Yes, there is. Forget about li and use ile instead like this. Я не знаю, работает Русский музей по вторникам или нет. I don't know, works the Russian Museum on Tuesdays or not. So you're just putting or not at the end of the sentences, that part that included the statement. Let's have a look at another example. Я не уверен, буду я дома к 8 часам или нет. I'm not sure, will be I home by 8 p.m. or not. The choice is yours. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Make sure you subscribe to my channel Russian Pie and like and share with your fellow Russian language learners and teachers, and comment. And if you comment one of your own if sentences in Russian, I'll make sure to correct them. Пока!